So DXVK has entered maintenance mode. Is this the end for Linux gaming? I don't know.
This video is brought to you by CDN77, the content delivery network used by space agencies and CentOS. I also am using this on ChrisTitus.com to speed up my website, so if you're interested in this, click the link in the description.
Now, I will say, it will be fine right out of the gate. I love the little clickbait there. But DXVK for DX10 and 11, which has been developed, and you've seen all these huge mass improvements, has been absolutely fantastic. But it's a kind of an unwieldy project that Philip Moore has taken upon himself and really done a fantastic job with. But he's basically saying, because of the complexities of it, there's no more features really going to be added. Maintenance mode means just that. If there's a bug, he's going to fix it, but other than that, he's going to leave the project to itself. So that's really what this means when it says it's entering maintenance mode. And there's still work being done with D9VK as well. So DirectX 9 is still being integrated into the project, and that work will continue. So what does the future look like? What's Philip Moore going to do past this? And I think we kind of gleam a little bit from this other article that I read. And this article basically states, hey, he's contributing already to the D3D project. God, try saying that 3 times fast. Holy crap. But anyways, this is the Codeweaver's Wine project that's going to be integrated into Wine, which improves performance, which is just fantastic. Now, this focuses more on DirectX 12 and above. So when we look at the future, really, Microsoft's going to continue these new DirectX versions, and I think Codeweaver's kind of taking the helm here is a good thing, because Wine has proven itself. It's had literally decades of development. So I think him integrating with that team and starting contributing, it's just huge, so powerful. I love to see this collaboration. And while this looks like a huge headline that is just horrible for Linux gaming, and probably why a lot of people haven't really covered it, I view it as a fantastic thing. I think it's a great thing for the future, for everything. So I just wanted to make a short video really to just say, hey, don't freak out when you see this. DXVK is here to stay. It's going to continually get better, and I'm looking forward to seeing what Codeweavers and the Wine team really produces with a brilliant mind like Philip Moore coming and contributing to the project now. I mean, wow. So while this looks like a negative article, it really isn't. It's fantastic. So that's all I have to say about the subject. And I mean, I'm wearing shorts, and it's this, and it's about to rain on me, and it's January. What in the hell's going on with the world today? But man, it's like 70-something degrees here in Texas. Holy crap. So other than that, that's all I have to say about the subject. I'm really looking forward to these integrations and what Wine brings to the table. I'm seeing more and more of this type of thing. I know Epic has funded Lutris, at least giving them, I think, about $25,000 or something. So there's a lot of really, really interesting things happening in the Linux gaming space right now. And I gotta say, don't freak out about some of this news coming out, as it can easily be taken the wrong way, but everything that's going on is far better than I could possibly envision it. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments section, because I really see DXVK really taking over, and then also seeing more integration, Lutris kind of taking off, having a lot more resources. All these things are kind of coming to fruition, and it's an exciting time to be alive. But with that, I'll see you in the next one.